And she's serious when she starts doing her mouth that way.
Hi. So we are making vegan mac and cheese. We did a lot of the prep work beforehand.
The wife wanted to do it that way because she doesn't like fumbling around when we're recording, which I think that is a good video. It's funny to me, but she didn't want to do that.
And we have only this postage stamp amount of space, so it's kind of hard to do all that on camera. But if you want to do the next one like that, that's fine. Whatever. You can be the videographer, director, script writer, all of it. So we got this recipe from vegnews.com, vegnews.com. And like I said, we mixed a lot of the stuff already. Of course, got the boiled al dente macaroni. We have, for the sauce, we have raw cashews. We have cayenne pepper.
Y'all know what that look like already.
Smoked paprika.
Don't need to see the brand. You know what it is. You can use whatever brand you want.
The garlic. Country crock plant butter.
That's what we use.
Yeah, you can use whatever you want to use.
It ain't gonna focus.
Sea salt.
Because it's focused on the wife. It ain't gonna focus. That's alright. Boop. There you go. Oh, so crisp.
So paprika, black pepper, cayenne, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, garlic, sea salt, raw cashews. And I just need to blend this a little bit longer.
And what's in here?
That's all the stuff I just named, along with carrots, shallots, onions, and a potato. So I use a potato this size.
Yellow potato.
Yellow potato or red potato. And it said a cup of potatoes. This size gives you about a cup. Okay? Okay. So let me just blend this for a few more seconds to smooth it out.
You're not going to do it for the whole 40 seconds, are you?
Just so it starts to actually go. Okay. So it says to pour this sauce over your noodles. And of course we're going to link the recipe in the description.
Did you put... Where's the cashews?
They're in here.
Okay.
This is good.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Nope, don't do that. I like to have everything together and eat.
So we're gonna pour that luscious cheese.
Go up higher. Go up higher.
Can you see it?
Yeah, they can see it. Look like we need a little bit more of that vegan cheese.
There's a lot of cheese in there.
Who thought I would ever like vegan cheese?
That we made ourselves.
Yeah, I like it. She makes
nachos.
A breakfast burrito that I really like. That she well, she didn't invent it herself. We went to a what do you want to call it, a diner, and she had theirs, and she duplicated, and it's better than the place we went.
I love when that happens. I really do.
If you guys want to see that breakfast burrito, I'll have her do that, because let me tell you something about this one right here. When I say do a video and there's anything in this kitchen, she don't want to do it. So I just have to do my woosah and just not pay attention to all her huffing and puffing and just go with the motions and get the video done.
Now this is a good video for somebody who's transitioning from a sad diet or
yeah, like me, I let myself go. I got about a 12-pound bowling ball right up in here.
Anybody who's transitioning from eating meat, this is a good diet. This isn't for somebody who's in advanced stages of their detox.
Yeah.
For those that watch us for that kind of stuff.
This ain't for you. Just
watch it. Just because you love us.
Just go somewhere else.
No, watch it because you love us.
Just go.
We love you.
Go.
So.
No. Joking.
So.
Or am I?
This is for people who are trying to figure out how to go meatless. This can help
like
you with
me,
that.
because I love chicken.
He does. He loves chicken.
Beef, pork, but chicken,
And pepperoni.
Me like the chicken and pepperoni.
You like pepperoni. Okay, so that's...
More pepper? Oh, and
let's taste it.
I like pepperoni. I mean,
You like pepper?
I like pepper. Same thing, pepperoni, pepper thing.
It's surprisingly really good.
And I found this recipe, y'all.
He did.
It was
He
a
did
recipe.
the legwork.
I did all the background work, and I said, look, we're doing a video. I'm going to try my best to post as much as I can, because once I get back in the flow means work. Videos are not going to come as often. I'm starting to feel better. I'm getting acclimated. I'm getting stronger. For those of you that don't know, I hurt my back at work, so I'm home. And I'm getting better. I'm getting stronger, so I got to get myself back into shape, lose some of this stomach, drop some weight down. So I'm going to try, with attitude and all, I'm going to try to post. Try.
So anyway.
No, she was supposed to say, anywho.
Then we did breadcrumbs. I never made my own breadcrumbs before.
Oh, here's the bread.
That's the bread we use. It's a gluten-free bleh. It wasn't the bread that I would have chosen.
It's the bread I chose.
But we didn't want a whole loaf of bread because we don't really keep bread in the house like that.
And it was 5 slices.
5 slices,
and we put 4 in what she's about to show you.
Yeah, and we'll figure out something to do with that last slice. But I made some breadcrumbs. I've never made breadcrumbs before.
And I don't like sourdough, but it was the healthiest bread that I can find in the grocery store.
It's gluten-free. It's made with buckwheat groats and buckwheat flour. So
buckwheat? No.
So it says to put the breadcrumbs on top. I can't wait to eat it.
Yeah, she's a little impatient, y'all.
Now, we're gonna have so many breadcrumbs left over.
It's hot in here.
Yeah.
I don't think we should worry about the leftovers. I mean,
maybe I'll freeze them. Maybe there's something I can do with them, or maybe we can make something else with them later in the week. I don't want to throw it away. I'm in a stage right now where I feel weird about throwing away food. I don't want to do it. If I can repurpose it and use it somewhere else, I'll do that. But I don't want to throw it away.
Message.
Like, God is just like, girl, if you don't eat that food. Right. So, like, we're not supposed to waste food. I'm not saying eat it all in one sitting. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, like, maybe freeze it, preserve it for another day or something like that. But not throw it away.
I'm with that, man.
So, now we have to put paprika on top.
I don't know if I want to bring you guys over to it, or
I'll bring it over to them.
To you guys. You guys can see that, because I'm loving what I'm seeing.
I'm telling you, it tastes delicious.
I made a goof on the bread choice.
Take it away, Sam.
Yeah, look at that, man. Y'all jealous, and y'all can't have no. Wow, that looks pretty good.
So now it goes in the oven, 350.
350 for how long?
30 minutes. So set a timer, and take that tray out.
Yeah.
So we will come back when it's ready, and we'll taste it live online for you guys to see.
And if I don't like it, I'll let you know.
I already like it.
So, to be continued.
Mm-hmm.
Bye. Oh, yeah.
That's what it looks like, you guys. He's just attacking it.
Yeah, you don't need to wait. I don't want to wait anymore.
Don't burn your tongue trying it.
Oh, I'm gonna let it simmer. I'm just gonna get the first taste, let them know what's up. Go from there. Let them see what it looks like in here. Cause I already know it's gonna be good.
I mean, yes, it's good. I actually ate some of the cheese sauce out of the blender when we were cleaning up. It's good cheese sauce. I will use that cheese sauce for anything.
That's how much I got. Bam. Alright. Taste it yet?
No.
Go for it.
I don't want to burn my mouth.
Okay.
It's good. It's creamy. Now, it's not cheesy. Like, it doesn't taste like cheese. But if you're trying to change what you're doing,
Your lifestyle?
it's creamy. It has the consistency and the texture of mac and cheese. It's flavorful. I could have put more salt in this. But
And like I said, she could have did more cheese. Whoa.
mm-hmm.
We could have did more. So this was
But it's
not
good.
This was not a fail.
No, it's good. This can go on the rotation.
This was not a fail.
I'm going to perfect this, and I'm going to bring it to Thanksgiving or Christmas at
'Cause
somebody's house.
I did tell her, I said more cheese. She said,
You did.
nah, it's enough. I knew it needed more cheese to feel like mac and cheese.
Hot.
Now, is this good? I will eat this all the time.
Yeah.
I will eat
It's
this
good.
all the time. I like this
Cruelty-free mac and cheese.
flavor, breadcrumbs, even the sourdough bread goes
Yeah,
nice.
I was worried about the sourdough bread. It's good.
That's a winner, y'all.
Yes.
This goes in a rotation, so now I don't have to crave for the bad mac and cheese, if that's what you want to call it.
Yeah.
I can eat this.
Yeah.
And I'll be fine.
And we'll just make it cheesier next time. But it's really good. This is a winner. You did good, babe.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm actually really happy that this turned out pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so that's it for the video. We just wanted to show y'all some. We're gonna bring up new videos, and because I like doing the cook videos. My wife really is not big on that, but I do. I like the fails. I like that we come up with something. Well, we didn't come up with it, but you know,
We discovered something.
we discovered it, and time goes on. Hopefully, we'll start coming up with our own things. So
Yeah. And you know, Ron really needs this type of food so that he can transition off the meat. He needs to have these alternatives available. Just fruits and vegetables are just not going to cut it for him right now. And for me all the time either. I can't just, I don't want to just have fruits and vegetables all the time. This is nice to have. A nice hearty meal. So like I said, this is for people transitioning off of animal products. Not necessarily somebody who's deep into their detox, because, you know, the nuts and the pasta are not going to cut it, and even the vegan butter. So
yeah,
but this is good if you're transitioning. You not want a nice comfort meal, this will get you. We're done. Gonna eat. Rub-a-dub-dub. Thanks for the grub.
peace out.